let's talk about, the bread and butter business, equity markets, and let's try and understand what's really going on over there. Hugely volatile a session yesterday, as was the case for the Dow as well overnight. And we managed to close in flat. We managed to resurrect back above the 23,100 print for us. Nooresh, hi, morning. What's it looking like? Will it be a volatile day, flat day, up day, down day? What are we headed in for?
So we are getting into a consolidation mode. 22,800 we held on yesterday. And in the last few days, 23,800 has been a problem. So we get into this range, but if we start breaking 22,800, then we drift lower in the grind. So for now, we keep a watch on 22,750, 22,800. Because what has happened is the broader markets have already broken similar levels, but we did see recovery by the day of end of day. So overall, getting into a consolidation mode does not look like a very strongly volatile or a strong move. We could consolidate for the next few sessions in a tight range.
Kunal, today's FNO expiry. Weekly expiry. What is the importance of that, and how do you see that impacting the markets and especially the Nifty?
Well, in the last 2-3 weeks of the weekly expiry for the Nifty, we've not seen any major change in terms of the trend. So the earlier trend picks up wherever the index is. For example, last week we were into a bounce back mode when the Nifty was at 23,600, 800 kind of a zone. And the week prior to that we were into a downtrend. So the Nifty was struggling around the 23,000 mark. So I think it should come with a point where where the markets are expecting the trend to be. Right now, what we have seen is almost a 1,000-point retracement from 23,800 mark towards 22,900 thereabouts, which we tested yesterday. So which means that the markets are now into that grind of a downward trend. But yesterday's recovery was quite noticeable because we saw the index making a very strong comeback, closing back again above the 23,000 mark. The Bank Nifty being one of the stronger index. That's what we expect should lead the charge from the front. So my expectation is that may not be too much of a volatility in terms of the expiry day, but yeah, the normal course of price action should resume for the indices. And if yesterday's low is not breached, that's 22,900 thereabouts for the index, then we could be looking at a significant bounce back.
Okay.